Welcome back to my channel Langchantri, and welcome all beloved friends and all beloved students, that grateful student that always support my channel. So thank you very much for watching in advance. So today I'm going to teach you one lesson about the titration. What does it mean titration? Titration is mean the techniques that we use in laboratory, mean to find out or to calculate the unknown concentration, molarity of acid or base, right? I think that this lesson very important for you to prepare for the national exam that happens on 27 December 2021. So I want all of you successful in exam to get A+ for the exam in advance. Okay. Thank you, thank you again. Okay. For watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, right? If you want to get a new video from me, okay, especially turn it on the notification, right? And the problem, right? Number 2 here, nitric acid, so 0.02 molarity, the volume 100 milliliter, adds calcium hydroxide 1, so 1, right? 1, so 1 molarity 100 milliliter. And the question number 1 is the mixture equivalent points. And number two, which is the indicator used for an titration reaction above. And number 3, calculate the pH of the mixture. Okay, let's start now. Number 1 is the mixture equivalent points, right? Okay. We have to write chemical equation first, mean that acid and base reaction together, right? React together, so that nitric acid, we write nitric acid plus calcium hydroxide, the D base, right? D base and strong base. Okay, produce calcium nitrate. Okay, calcium nitrate, aqueous solution, and water liquid, right? Yes. You have to balance the chemical. I have to put 2 mole of nitric acid and 2 mole water. You can write other chemical equation. You can write OS, hydronium ion plus hydroxide ion equal to molecules of water, 2 more molecules of water. Okay, first we have to calculate the initial mole of hydronium ion. CaVa, this is mono acid, strong, right? So strong, so that you calculate it. So 0.02 molarity multiplied by 0.1 liter, because that you convert, right? You convert milliliter, right? Milliliter to liter, so that equal 0.02 mole, right? Then number mole, you can calculate a mole hydroxide, initial hydroxide ions to CbVb, because that D acid, D base, right? To multiply by 0.01 molarity and equal 0.002 mole. Okay, so that you can say that mole of strong acid and strong base equal, right? Mole hydronium ion equal mole hydroxide ion equal 0.002 mole, so that you can say the mixture is equivalent, right? You can say that, so that the mixture is equivalent, right? Equivalent. Okay, and number 2, question number 2 mean that which is the indicator used for titration reaction about, right? So the indicator is promotimol blue, right? Promotimol blue. But can write we write promotimol blue, promotimol blue. Okay, because that we use promotimol blue because of the nitric acid is so strong and base is so strong too, right? We have to use promotimol blue. And number 3, calculate the calculate the pH of the mixture, right? Okay, because of the mole, right? Hydronium ion, mole hydronium ion equal mole hydroxide ion equal 0.002 mole, so that the hydronium ion concentration equal hydroxide ion concentration 2 equal 10 power minus 7 molarity, right? Okay, pH and equal 7, right? Because that pH equal like that, right? Equal minus log hydronium concentration, and then the pH equal 7 because of the hydronium concentration equal 10 power minus 7, so that pH equals 7, right? Okay, thank you very much for watching my video, and I hope that you good luck for exam and get A plus for together, right? Okay, thank you. Have a wonderful day and blessed day.